Some of our local students are getting new experiences this school year, a hands-on lesson that's not only fun, but one day could lead to jobs.
It's a robotics program where they are the engineers. Action News Jack's Don Lopez gives us a look.
It's a robotics program that grew out of demonstrations at local Chick-fil-A's and then into a full summer camp operation. Today, it's helping teach STEM at local Duval County public schools. From bumblebees to moving jukeboxes, these local kids are getting an experience many young adults don't learn until college. Their instructor, Coach K, is bringing them a program that she developed in Asia and teaching them to together create a concept, make a plan, develop it from one Lego brick at a time, add mechanics, and then computer code it. And now you're looking at some of the youngest of engineers.
My passion to teach robotics to my own daughters. So I started with an in-house small team, robotics team.
Coach K started her program 7 years ago to inspire her daughters to spark an interest in computer science, which could lead to a STEM career. It's since taken off, not only from her building here on Beach Blvd, but she holds camps for hundreds of children in 8 locations, branched out to 32 schools, including schools in Duval County.
I would stand outside Chick-fil-A, bring my Lego boxes in there, and we would have like mommy and son build night, mommy and daughter build night, and the sales in Chick-fil-A would be flourishing.
Chick-fil-A flourished, and her ideas too, helping build a group that spreads knowledge. And she is so proud of the diversity that you'll find behind these doors and the inspiration and confidence it gives young women.
I'm just a mom. I did this. You can do it too.
Welcome to Shiva Robotics Academy.
Coach K now has 30 female coaches who have caught the vision and sharing the mission to give girls and boys choices. Don Lopez, Action News Jax.
And you can learn more about the Shiva Robotics Academy on actionnewsjax.com.